Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a page for your blogs. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you sign in is go to Create Website Pages and then click Add New. Then I'm going to click Use the Divi Builder and then Use Visual Builder. So I'm going to choose a pre-made layout because we have a ton of templates over here. And I'm going to click on the agency layout packet and then click on blog. So I'm going to click use this layout. As you can see, it's just a simple blog page. I'm going to make sure I put 10 here and then include these categories as well. So as of right now, I only have 2 posts on this test site. You can edit the words as you wish. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.